Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a nude look that you guys voted off of my Instagram poll, which I did a few days ago, asking whether you'd like to see me doing a look using nude colors or bright colors, and obviously you guys voted off for nude. So this is the look that I came up with, and literally guys, anyone can do this look and pull this look off and just take 5 to 10 15 minutes top to just achieve this look, and then you're good to go out the door to conquer the day. And it's an easy look to achieve, and I hope you guys try it at home. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the tutorial. So since today is going to be a quick one, I've already done my base off camera real quick, and as usual for my eyes, I used the NYX eyeshadow base to prime it, and together with a Kat Von D translucent powder to set it. Today we'll be doing this nude natural type of look, so I figured it will only be fitting if we use the 24K Nudes by Maybelline, because the colors inside, they are very earthy tones. Now guys, when it comes to nudes, think of anything skin-like, like natural. I know natural is a very vague term, but basically think of earthy tones, the everyday wearable colors that anyone, literally anyone, can pull off. I'm actually a fan of Maybelline products. I use their eyeliner especially, and concealer, the Fit Me concealer is one of my favorites, and what's that called, the H Rewind concealer, together with a bunch of their lipsticks. They're still one of my favorite drugstore brands that I've been using ever since I was a teenager, honestly. So without further ado, okay, so I've never tried this palette before, and looking at the palette, sorry, let me just take this out. Look at the palette, they only have 1, 2, 3 mattes, just 3 mattes, and the rest are all shimmers. Okay, so let me just swatch the shimmer shades, and oh wow, it's not bad guys, I like it. And let's swatch their matte shades. So this is a dark one. Oh wow, okay, it's a little powdery. So by the way guys, this palette has no shade names whatsoever written on the palette, and none at the back as well. So with that being said, I can't wait to try the colors from this palette on my actual eyelids. So let's go. Okay, first things first, we're going to be taking this light matte shade and put it in our crease. And blend, blend, blend. Next, we will be using the shade right next to the first shade we used earlier, which is this light coppery shade, I would say. And we're just going to put it here in the outer corner, just ever so slightly. Now guys, even though this palette has way too many shimmer shades and very little matte shades, we're still going to make it work. If you notice, I did not use a matte shade as my outer corner. It is because it doesn't matter if you have to use a shimmer shade. Actually, there's nothing wrong with how you want to do your makeup, which color you want to choose. Hey, why not? Like, I can make it work, so do you. So it is up to you. When it comes to makeup, it is really up to you. There's no rules in makeup. If you want to use bright colors for this and that, or you want to use a very shimmery, crazy shade whatsoever as a contour, guys, just do you. So with that being said, let's just continue using this shade and put it as my outer corner shade. So as you can see, it's very, very minimal what I did with the whole outer corner thing using that shimmer shade. And next up, we're just going to use our finger and use this shade here and just put it on our eyelid. Well, I can't really see the color payoff though. That is why, guys, you have to like actually try it on your eyelid instead of just finger swatching, because it can be very subjective. So you know what, let's just take this MAC Fix Plus and actually use a brush to see whether if there's any difference, and let's just spray it a little bit. And okay, I'm not seeing any difference, not that big of a difference, I would say. But so we can make it work. So we're going to use this shade to put it on top of the shade we used previously. So this shade has way more color payoff than the previous one, but nothing too crazy. But I kind of like how it looks like when this shade is put on top of the previous shade we used. So yeah. Okay, so for our bottom lid, we will be using this shade, and we're just going to slightly smudge it. Now remember, guys, don't go heavily handed when you do this. Just that in-between color that we need. Okay, so next we're going to use this shimmer shade we used earlier on our top lid, and we're just going to use it on our bottom lid as well. This is such a pretty color, honestly. It's actually one of my favorites from this palette. Okay, and we're going to use a little bit in our inner corner as well. And last but not least, we're going to use this white shimmer shade and just tuck it in below your brows, on your brow bone. So that's one eye look done. What do you think, guys? I honestly feel like this is by far one of the easiest eye look I've ever done. Literally anyone can do it. And this, guys, it is as nude as it gets according to my dictionary. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to do this side of my eye off camera real quick. And we're not going to be doing eyeliner today, so we're going to skip that and put on some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Anyway, I've decided not to wear false lashes for today's look and just went in with my favorite MAC Cosmetics mascara, and it's called the Extended Play Gigablack Lash. This mascara, why it's my favorite, it is because, look guys, the black is super pigmented, and this is how the bristle looks like. Guys, this bristle, this brush, whatever you want to call it, it coats each and every one of your lashes. To me, this is by far the least clumpy mascaras I've ever tried, so that is why I always grab this first. And guys, this thing is actually bendable for, you know, for an easy application. So, but of course I did not band it because I did not want to spoil it, and it gives me that beautiful curl. Of course it's not that, you know, that curl, that super curl that you can only achieve by using an eyelash curler. I honestly don't know where my eyelash curler went missing. I'm sure it's somewhere in my room or my mom took it. But anyways, without the eyelash curler itself, you can actually achieve the curls by, you know, just the right amount of curl that you need, just the right amount. So anyway, let's just jump right onto our lips. So to make this whole thing look cohesive, I've decided to use this Urban Decay lipstick called BackTalk, which we did not get to use in our previous video, but I was actually really pondering upon whether to use that or the red one. So let's just give it a whirl. Now guys, this is a very cool toned nude. It's not those warm, very skin-like kind of nude, if you get what I'm trying to say. This is more towards that taupey shade, which actually gives this whole look a new meaning to me. So yeah. And to finish the look off, we're going to set it with the MAC Fix Plus. And that, guys, concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this nude tutorial as much as I do producing it for you guys. and let me know what you guys think of this whole thing in the comment section down below. I'll be super happy to hear good feedbacks, and whatever it is you guys would like to see from me in the future, just sound off in the comment section down below. Thank you so much guys for all your support and for all the love that you've been giving me through social media, through, personally. I truly appreciate it a lot, and God bless all of you. So that's all for today, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!